Hello guys, my name is Krishna and I am a ETL data warehouse big data tester. So I have experience in ETL data warehouse testing, BI testing, manual testing. Fuel that is very important. Nowadays, every company and every industry is using data to grow their business and utilize their business and increase their finances. So all this is happening in data. So data has a very crucial role and a very important role in our day-to-day life while using Instagram, while posting pictures or messages on social media. All this is what? Data. So data has a very high scope in all the industries now. So data has a very high scope. As you all know, concepts like data science, data engineering, blockchain, metaverse, everything is revolving around data. So if data is so important, so a data tester is also very important. So that is where I come from, where I do database testing, I do ETL, data warehouse testing, BI testing, where all these data are related, where the data is there. So data is created and data is transformed in the required format. So to test that, a database tester is required. So skills, simple skills like SQL, just SQL can do a lot of wonders. You don't have to learn any other programming language like Python, Java. If you know, that is an added advantage. Manual testing is little tough to in the longer time, where we have a lot of technologies like AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so many new technologies coming in. Only with manual testing, your life may be a little challenging. But if you have data in your profile, it adds a lot of value in your profile. So adding data concepts and data testing increases your profile to a very high extent, where a lot of openings and a lot of opportunities are there. I only have around 5 to 6 years of experience, but with this level of experience I'm able to draw a very big salary. I'm not saying just because of database, but because of the skill set. So I would request all the young generation, all the people, those who are watching, maybe a college pass out or still studying in college, or those who are already into IT industry and working. If you have knowledge of SQL, if you get some theoretical knowledge of how database and data warehouse works, this will add you a lot of value in your profile. So I would, in this new year, recommend you to learn these skills, and you can follow me on LinkedIn and you can follow my YouTube channel, where I am posting a lot of database related concepts, lot of testing related content. I am coming from a data background. I am a tester. So all those who are watching, just don't think development is the only role, data engineering is the only role, data science is the only role. So there is something called as testing, ETL testing, data warehouse testing, BI testing, or database testing. So these are a lot of scope, and there are a lot of opportunities in the market. A lot of big companies are opening for these profiles like database testing, ETL, data warehouse testing. So learn about these concepts and you have a very good growth. Keep this in your mind and make your 2023 a story which is very inspiring and a successful one for all the loved ones who are watching you, admiring you. Make them happy.